Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix phone not connecting with Windows 11 but showing only charging. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are connecting your phone with the data cable for your Windows 10 or Windows 11 and it's showing only charging and the phone is not getting connected to transfer the data on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all I want to say you, if you are using new cable, maybe that issue with the cable, because in some data cables that options come only for charging only. In some of the data cables this both options will support. In some of the data cables only charging option will be support. So the better option is you can change the cable and check. After that still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just click on the search menu, then type here device manager. Click on this device manager. Here you will find universal serial bus controller, double click and expand. In last you will find USB root hub USB 3.0. You have to right click on that, then click on property, then click on power management. You have to uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Just uncheck this option, then click on OK, then close this window. After that just restart your PC and check. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix phone not connecting with your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.